Welcome to my channel Sekandar Gadgets Review. ANDELI Cut 50Y Pro by 220 volts MMA and plasma cutter built-in air pump HF pilot arc non-contact metal product type cut 80 CUT 100 CUT 120 rated input voltage V 3-phase AC 380V plus or minus 15% frequency HZ 50/60ths rated input power kVA 172225 no load voltage V 270,310,315 max manual cutting thickness M 304050 quality manual cutting thickness M 203035 quality CNC cutting thickness M 152025 arc ignition mode HF no touch gas pressure range MPa 0.4 to 0.5 duty cycle percent 60% gross weight kg 253237 like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching video.